All right, so what we're going to show you in this video demonstration is how to unbox Pride Mobility Go-Go folding scooter. This is the Go-Go folding scooter. Now there are a few different options. You can get this with a lithium battery pack. It is more expensive, or you can get it with a sealed lead acid battery pack. Sealed lead acid does weigh a little bit more than a lithium, and then you can also, it's optional, you can get it with armrests or without armrests. So it comes standard without the armrests. But you can get the armrests. So this is one I ordered here actually for a customer. He's going to come pick it up. This is a Go-Go folding scooter without the armrests and with the sealed lead acid batteries. So what we're going to show in this demonstration is basically how to unbox it and get this scooter operational. So one of the things you're going to need is either a pair of scissors or a box cutter or a knife. You got to cut the box open. There's typically tape, and sometimes they have some staples in there. So if you want to get a flathead screwdriver or needle nose pliers, that also might help. But I'm going to go ahead and just start working through this, and then I'll explain it as I go. Now, just like anything, when you use a box cutter, don't cut your power chair and don't cut yourself. Those are two important things. I've done both over the past. So when you cut the top of the box open, this is a very easy one. Pretty much comes fully assembled. It's already in the foam molding. From here, what you can do, if it's not a very heavy scooter, you can just pick it up if you have two people. Since I am going to reship this to a client, I'm going to try to save the box. But on this one, I am just going to lift it up because it does just sit in a mold all by itself. Set the unit on the ground. Now this, with the lithium or with the sealed lead acid battery pack, the battery pack's about 18 pounds, the unit is 51 pounds, so if you do the math, you're close to 70 pounds. So if that is how you get it, you might want to just cut the box open, and then you can have cut the foam out and get it out a little bit easier. But if you have two people, that's the easiest way. Just pick it up and take it right out of the box. Then from there, just so that you can see what you're working with, you need to remove and cut the tape. All right, this unit does actually, you can stand it up as well, which might make it easier, but let me just get all of this extra packing material off of the scooter. Yeah. Like I said, this unit does stand up as well. So over here on the side, you have a red handle. If you pull that handle out, it's what allows the scooter to fold and unfold. So you pull this handle out, spring loaded, and then you want to go till you hear it click. If you don't hear it click, then the unit's going to want to fold back down on you. Fold your seat up. And some of these pieces you will need to cut off. Some pull off. But if you're not trying to rebox it and ship it to somebody else, then you can just rip it with your hands. This is your battery case underneath the unit here. Like I said prior, you do have optional armrests for the unit. I think it's $150 optional upgrade for armrests. They would slide in right here on either side of the seat. This customer decided he did not want the armrests. So then you're going to locate your keys. Your keys are located around the handle. You can slide it off or clip it off. Remove the covering over the key switch. And now when you go to turn it on, you will see that although your battery pack's in there, nothing comes on. So what you have to do is lift your battery pack up. And underneath your battery pack, you're actually going to see they had a piece of plastic that was inhibiting the connector block on your battery casing to actually making a connection on the unit. So once you remove that, then you will turn your unit on and you will see that you have power. Now you do want to make sure that you are in gear. If you're not in gear and you're in freewheel, unit will roll around, but you'll see it will not move, and you'll get a flashing symbol over here with your power. So make sure you are in gear, which is with a D, the drive, with the lock symbol on it. Anytime you then go to turn your unit from neutral or into gear, you have to reset the unit. So turn the power off, turn it back on, and then you'll see your power light will steady out, and then you're ready to go. This is a very simple setup, literally just, it's pretty much fully assembled. The only thing you have to do, put the key in, lift the battery pack up, and slide the little plastic that they have that's blocking the connector from making a connection, and then you're ready to go.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.